The internet is essentially a network of hardware, a number of computers linked around the world via telephone lines. On this occasion, a cellular phone, but it doesn't have to be a cellular phone. The whole thing began with the military in the United States way back in the 60s. And it was quickly adopted by universities who could see that the rapid transmission of data was going to help speed up their work immensely. Now that computers are affordable, if not exactly cheap, then it's possible for an individual to get connected to the internet from just about anywhere in the world that has a telephone service. Now, the World Wide Web is one part of the internet. If the internet is the railway lines, then the World Wide Web is just one train that runs on it. And right now, all the information and entertainment that's on the World Wide Web is completely and entirely free. It resides in computers all over the world. And some of those computers are right here in Wales.
Ah, Mr. Rob Evans. Font of all knowledge, keeper of the wisdom, here in the centre of the world, or the World Wide Web, as I know you're wont to call it. How do you do, sir?
Welcome.
And this grove of academes, sir, would I be correct in calling it perhaps the most famous site in the world?
Most famous site on the World Wide Web, perhaps.
And it's here in Cardiff.
That's right.
Splendid, sir, splendid. This, obviously, is the inspiration of one great thinking man. Who was behind this? Is it you, Rob?
Well, the Internet Movie Database existed for a while, but the World Wide Web interface was written by Rob Hartill, one of our postgraduate students, whilst he was waiting to do his PhD exam. He's originally from Pontypridd, but he's now working at Los Alamos.
Splendid. Do you think you could find me, a humble actor, a player, a thespian, in this movie database? I am an actor of some note. Would you rather me or the film title to search
Let's
for?
do the film, shall we?
The film title. Let us think of the most famous movie I was in. You may remember me. The film was Hedd Wyn.
Okay, I'll type in the title.
You wouldn't rather just type my name in and search for me, would you? No, carry on, please. Ah, I see we're actually in the database now. This is a terribly popular thing. I mean, as an actor, I can say I've had a number of hits. How many hits have you had?
Well, the movie database server machine gets about 150,000 per day around the world.
150,000 a day.
That's right.
Well, we'll make this 150,001, shall we, if you can find me. Start title search. You clicked on a button saying
Start title search. So it's now looking through all the titles for Hedd Wyn.
Right, and then when we found that... Ah, there it is indeed. This was rather swift. Now we need to find me. Would it mention me, of course?
If I click on the title, it should expand and give all the actors in it.
And we scroll down, which is a bit of a technical term I've learned. As scroll down, am I on that screen? Am I there somewhere? I was in... Ah, there I am! There I am. Well, I am most impressed. There I am on the web. This is what they call user-friendly, I think, to coin a buzzword. Perhaps we could look for a lesser-known actor. Okay. You probably haven't heard of someone called Christopher Biggins. Does that ring a bell? Probably not. But he was in a little-known movie, and very few people know this, called The Rocky Horror Show. Do you think you could search him out? Sweet man, but I don't think you'll find him. He had such a small part. Well, that's the rumor.